Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali Sharma. On my today's tutorial, I will be covering Python starts with, ends with and split method. I have already covered some of Python string method on my last tutorial. If you haven't watched those videos, please go to my YouTube channel and watch those videos. Now let's start. I have given two strings, the first string and the second string for variable a and b. Now let's write print and we'll apply the starts with, then b. Let's run it. We'll see how it works. Enter the string first. Python is very easy. And string 2, I gave Python is. Okay. It will return true because the Python is a first word of string 1 which this function is telling. Okay, so it will return true. Let's run it again and we'll give the second input something else. Python is very easy. This is first string and second string very easy. We are telling that the first string is starting with very easy, which is wrong. The first string is starting with Python. So this time this method will return false. This is how the starts with works. Now we will provide index, start index and end index. Okay. Let's write print, then a. This is our first string, starts with, then string b. Then 0 is 0, it's our starting index, then 9, it's our end index. Run it. Given the string, Python is very easy. Okay, and the second string I am giving very easy. Okay, so this very easy doesn't come between 0 index to 9. Okay, so this time it will return false. Now let's give it some another input for string second. The first string is same. Okay, and the second string I have given the Python is. Okay, so the Python is string. This method will count between 0 to 9 index, and this in this case this function is able to find out this string b between 0 to 9 and it will return true. Okay, so this is how the starts with method work with start index and end index. If you don't understand, we see it in PPT, and it will be more clear way to understand. So this is the input which I have given for string 1, and I have given the index for each and every character. Like P starts with 0, Y starts with 1, then T is 2. Like that I have given till 18. Okay, and the first scenario I have taken the very easy for string 2, and I have given the index 7 to 18. That means the very easy counting between 7 index to 18, which is not our start word, which is our ending word. So because of that, this starts with method returning false, because starts with method will count the start word. Okay, and the second scenario, the Python is 0 to 9. Yeah, in this scenario the start with method count Python is between index 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, So till here it will count because int index will work like 9 minus 1. So that's how the starts with works on index level. Let's go back on Jupyter notebook. Yeah, the same way we have used for endswith. So let's write print and a endswith d. Okay, we have given the input like Java is object oriented. Okay, and the second input we have given object oriented. Object oriented. So the endswith method will count the object oriented for string 1 which is ending word. Okay, so that's why it will return true. If we run it, we'll provide another input like Java is object oriented. Okay, and the Java. So this endswith method is telling that string B is our uh, last word of string A, but we have given the Java which is first word of string A, so that's why it will return false because it is counting the last word. If this time if I would have given the oriented, so in that case this endswith method definitely return true because we have given the Java which is first word of string 1 which is not last word, that's why it returns false. Let's start with providing the index like start index and end index, and we'll see how the endswith method works here. Then write print a dot ends with. Okay, then d. Start index just gave it 19. The similar way the index will work, the end index will work like 19 minus 1. Run it. Python is very easy. This is our string first. The second string I am giving very easy. It returns true. Okay. Next, like it is counting the string B between 0 to 19 minus 1. Yeah, so very easy string. It is our last string between 0 to index 19 minus 1, and that's why it is returning true here. Let's run it and we'll give another input. Python is very easy. Okay. This time we are giving Python is. Okay. Yeah, so Python is doesn't belong between 0 to 19 minus 1. It belongs between 0 to 9. And this endswith method is counting the ending word which is not Pythonese. That's why it returns false. Okay. So this is how the endswith method works. Let's start with the split method. We'll see how the split method works. So just use print then a dot text dot split. Okay. Split method will split the string at separator which will provide in split method and return the list of string. Like here we have given the space. Okay, so run it. We'll give Java is very easy. Okay, so here is space, this is space, so the split method is separating at space. Click on enter. Yeah, So it is splitting at space. So this is the output of this input. It means if split method find any comma on text, so that point only the split method will split the string. I am giving the colon, okay, and I'm giving the text with colon, okay. Python is colon, very colon easy. So this is our one string which is concatenated with colon, but the split method will split at colon point. See, so this is how the split works. Let's check another input. Run it. Just restart the kernel because I haven't provided this new separator. So I'm giving the new separator accurate. Okay, run it. Then I'm giving the input pinky accurate gmail.com. Okay, so it will split at accurate. Okay, so pink is another word, and at that point this text got splitted and returned gmail.com. So this is our list of string. That is how split works. For today's tutorial, I have covered that much only. If you like my video, please do comment and share with your friends. Thank you.